You want to begin?
It tastes like tequila.
Because there's a little bit of tequila.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, fine.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back. Chef Jenna here with Purple Spoon Productions. You know what to do. And we've got a special guest, Chef Ed here.
Hey, it's nice to be here.
So good to be here. Let's cheers to the
absolutely.
salute. Here we go. Alright, you know how much I love tacos.
Oh, yeah.
I'm the Tex-Mex queen.
Oh, yeah.
So good, right? So, today I thought it'd be really fun to do tacos. Plus, it's going to be Taco Tuesday soon.
Oh, that's really surprising.
This, right?
It's not taco, it's Cinco de Mayo.
I mean, I'm just saying. There's Cinco de Mayo in there, but Taco Tuesday is really why we're here. Alright, I thought we would do a cheesy chicken taco.
So you're talking a taco made out of cheese.
Well, you seem to be the expert.
Okay,
I'm not really sure how this is going to work, but
Alright.
you know what to do.
So I'll get started on the cheese tacos, but first we're going to make a...
Chimmichurri.
Oh,
Because we
okay.
got something green for the plate, right?
Okay.
Okay. Chimmichurri is delicious because why? It's delicious. Also garlic. I love garlic. Do you love garlic? Do you love garlic?
Garlic goes in everything.
Okay, great. So in our bowl here we have a couple of ingredients. We've got our white and green parts of our green onion or spring onion. We've got fresh cilantro, we've got parsley, tons of garlic, some olive oil. Don't worry too much about the ingredients. We're going to link that all in the description below, so you're going to have the recipe. And you're going to do some lime for me, right?
All right, squeeze a little lime, yeah.
Okay, fresh lime, people. Don't use the box stuff. Ew. All right, all going into the blender here, stems and all. Don't want it too much. And we're going to blend that all nicely. All right, we're going to get this set up for success. Have you used this in a blender? You've made this before, right, Ed?
Right, how many limes do you need?
I think we're going to go 4 halves. And we're chopping off the little brown bit here, if you can see on your garlic. This is, again, fresh garlic, people. Don't make me tell you the story.
Don't buy the brown stuff.
Can we just tell them quickly why?
Oh,
The
Lord,
minced jar.
It's oxidized, it's terrible, it's like...
It's just like, ugh, why? Like, just think about like a bad experience you had, and then you'd like pay for that. Alright, into here we're going to throw our garlic, big chunks and all. And then we are going to start blending this. You got the limes for me?
I just finished.
Yay! Great! Fresh lime juice, that's probably what, 1/4 cup? Alright, and then we're going to start blending it with the olive oil. Alright, are you starting on taco shells?
I am. And just a note, okay, we are making hard cheese taco shells, which means
Ooh.
I've started with a little bit of provolone. And these are just a pre-sliced provolone, and I'm going to heat them in a non-stick pan.
Non-stick.
And we're going to create taco shells out of this cheese.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay, can you do me like a flat one so we can do something else cool?
Yeah, let me start.
Okay, so guys, everything's in here, and we're going to start blending it up, and you're going to slowly stream in your olive oil, just until it becomes a nice kind of sauce. You can puree it all the way down, you can keep it a little chunky, you can throw in some onions, really, the sky's the limit. Alright, here we go. I think that's pretty good. I don't know. But we need the most important ingredient. Ed!
Yeah?
We need salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, you got it.
Mise en place is important. Gather everything. Oh, thank you.
Salt and pepper.
She's such a doll. Maybe a little more olive oil. Is there some olive oil or something over there we can use?
Absolutely.
Just bring whatever we got. But just throw it here. I'll give you the cup. Just put a little in here. Thanks. So we're putting in salt and pepper, pink Himalayan salt. You know how I do it. And then we're going to blend it just a tiny bit more so we can really get a nice, delicious flavor. Oh, you're a
Important
gem.
lesson, just put in a little more if it hasn't been.
Take 2! Take 2! Good. It's happening. Things are moving and grooving. Give that a little stir. Make sure that's what we like. Oh, so good. Just do like a little taste. Herby, delicious. Purple spoon. Back in the bowl. And we're just gonna set it and forget it. Alright, this can be used on tons of recipes, on your steak, on your chicken, on the side, with your fish, with your vegetables. Really, people, it's kind of like, think pesto. So we've got our chimichurri in the pan here. Delicious. And we've got our drink. Don't forget to hydrate, people. It's important.
Oh,
Cheers, Nate. All right. We've got sauce. How are our shells looking?
I'll have it for you 1 second.
Muy delicioso.
You need
Let's talk filling. For this taco recipe, since we're doing cheese, what's better than chicken, right? Some nice pollo. This is poached chicken that we did in a pan. Super easy on your saute pan or a pot, something that's gonna hold water. You're gonna throw your chicken breast in, lots of seasoning, right? Because flavor's better
Then not having flavor.
than anything.
Yeah.
Okay, flavor could be anything. You can make it Italian, Mexican, Peruvian, I don't know, what's another country? Italian, I said that already. So we've got it shredded with lots of different seasoning. I use the same seasonings we're gonna put in additionally as well now. So we're gonna throw a bit of onion because why not? Just a little bit. And then here I have minced onion, some delicious chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, not garlic salt, and some crushed red pepper flakes, just a bit for some heat. And we're gonna just pour all that in. Cumin is one of those kind of secret ingredients that if you're ever making homemade sauce or taco stuff and you're like, it just doesn't taste like the restaurant.
Some people think it's an Indian ingredient, but it really is kind of a
cultural.
Exactly. I mean, in any Tex-Mex or Spanish recipe, a little cumin.
You know, geography, all those countries over there. Great job shredding this. I like to shred a little smaller. You can do whatever you like. And just bring those together. And you'll see there's a bit of sauce in here. All I added was just a touch of the poaching liquid to this to help keep it really nice and moist. All right. Perfect timing. Look at this. Ah, it's amazing.
A cheese taquito shell.
Yes. Okay, this is gonna be really cool, guys. So you see he just put the delicious provolone. We've got the bottom nice and melty. We've got the top nice and melty. We're gonna now top this. Keep it simple, guys. Super easy. A bit of our chicken in here. Oh, we got some more coming. We're doing like triple duty.
I'm gonna bring you one more.
Yes.
What's
here
better
we
than
go.
one taquito?
3 taquitos.
Well, I was gonna say 2, but okay.
All right, a little bit of the onion again, if you like it. If not, that's fine. And then I have here already cut up some cilantro and a little bit of that green onion, you know, like we do it. And we're gonna roll. Guys, this is gonna be really good. Give it a little squeeze pinch. And you wanna do this while they're still hot so that it stays together. Seam side down. Okay, we gotta work quickly. A little bit of onion, little bit of chicken. Does anybody else sing while they cook? It's just like therapeutic. See how we sing Disney songs. Ooh, and we're gonna do a little olive on this guy. You like olives, right, Ed?
Oh yeah.
All right, we're doing olives on this one for you. We're gonna roll the long way this time. I feel like that's a little bit.
It's the salt and the bitterness that makes me feel feelings again.
Yes, we know how many.
I made you taco shells.
Yay! These are so fun. So taquitos.
Oh, taquitos!
And hard tacos. Man, this is hard.
So what you do is you just do the same method, except you flip them over and basically you hang them on something, whatever you have available.
Can I put on my finger?
Oh, right. If your finger.
No. No, please do not try this at home.
Taco shells.
Okay,
Wow.
So now for our taco, muy delicioso. We're gonna now add some chicken. I like to put the meat on the bottom, but I also like to layer it. What are your thoughts on perfect taco baking?
I'm drinking, thank you.
Oh, okay, thank you. All right, some greens, lean, mean greens, maybe like a little olive for garnish. Guys, cilantro and green onions. This is the best thing in the whole world. Plus, like, look at how pretty that is. Should we do like an on TV air, got a big bite situation here? All right, you want to go for the taco? I'm gonna go for the taquito.
And there's chimichurri in there.
Chimichurri, I like to put on the side, so you
Okay.
can kind of dip it. So do you want a little on top?
Yeah, give me a little taste of that chimichurri. Oh, that's delicious.
Oh, I dropped some of your onions. Oops. All right, you take that one.
Okay, ready?
Wait, I gotta dip, guys. We gotta make this pretty. Look at this, and then you swipe. I mean, come on, is that not professional? We'll leave that for the pretty one.
It's not gourmet if it's not a swoosh, folks, but that is episode 42 of the Purple Spoon Productions with Jenna.
Okay, should we do like a cheers?
All right.
Salute.
Tacos! Mmm.
Damn.
Mmm.
Right?
Mmm.
Salty.
There's cheese and there's chicken.
I like the olive. I'm not a huge come on, guys, like real talk. Die hard black olives.
And there's no flour. There's no
Totally keto friendly. If you're on a diet, you know, those fat ones, this is the way to go.
How many carbs in here? 0!
2. Alright, we'll get like 1 for the onion.
Whatever.
So good. Alright, so all we did was put it in the pan, heat it up, we made some chicken. I made a mess, but hey, that's life.
Hey, thank you, Chef Jenna, for
Thanks so much.
those recipes.
This was so good.
Fantastic.
So easy. This is like a good after school snack too.
I'm gonna make some more.
If my mom made this.
Cheers,
Delish.
guys.
Cheers, guys. As always, Chef Jenna here. Thanks so much to Ed for being here. All the recipes are going to be in the link below. You know what to do. All that good stuff. And we'll see you next time.